This is Dr. Hina Beg and today's topic is bacterial mastitis. First we go for definition. We have to learn only 3 points. Bacterial mastitis is an inflammation of the breast tissues. This is the most common disease and it is associated with lactation. Second thing is causes. It can be hospital acquired or it can be an ascending infection. Hospital acquired infections are basically penicillin resistant. And for ascending infection, it could be due to sore throat or it could be due to cracked nipple. The organisms which are usually involved are Staph aureus. For clinical features and for the treatment, we will go side by side. Clinical features are usually 3. The patient presents with acute inflammation, generalized cellulitis, or it could be abscess in later stages. In case of generalized cellulitis, we will go for an appropriate antibiotic. Flucloxacillin and clomoxiclav. Local heat and analgesics for pain relief. In case of abscess should be incised and drained within 48 hours. In case of infection which is not resolved up till 48 hours, if the infection has been resolved due to appropriate antibiotic, there is no need to drain the abscess. Next point is repeated aspiration under antibiotic cover is used and it often allows resolution without the need of incision. Next thing is fluctuant abscess. Fluctuant abscess indicates that it is a late sign of an infection. It involves more than 1/4 of the breast tissues, and due to this reason we will go for ultrasound to check the defined area necessary for the drainage. The last option for the treatment is operative management. Operation is done less commonly these days due to appropriate antibiotic treatment and incision method. The indication for an operative drainage is marked skin thinning of the breast tissues. Procedure. There are 6 points for the procedure of operative management. First, we do local anesthesia, namely lidocaine, for 15 minutes. There are 2 types of incisions. After giving anesthesia, we will go either for circumcorneal incision or radial incision. Skin, then superficial fascia, and we will introduce long artery forceps. The abscess cavity is seen. We will drain and clear the area, and lastly, we lightly packed the area with ribbon gauze and done. Thank you.